Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that often gets overlooked in the world of anti-aging beauty, our hair. Just like our skin, our hair can show signs of aging, but the good news is that there are ways to keep it looking youthful and vibrant. I'm Susie Bennett, and as a professional hairstylist, I've got some insider tips to help you turn back the clock on your locks. So let's get started. The first step to ageless hair is proper cleansing. Overwashing can strip your hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. Aim to wash your hair 2 to 3 times a week and focus on cleansing your scalp rather than the lengths. Use a sulfate-free shampoo like the ones that Monat has and lukewarm water to protect your hair's natural shine. Choose the right shampoo for your hair type. It makes a huge difference. Although our main goal is to clean the scalp of dirt and oils and remove styling products, the right shampoo for your hair texture will make or break the hair's health. Choosing to work with a Monat shampoo is a great start, considering it will gently remove previous product buildup and it's formulated to prevent future buildup that can clog hair follicles and lead to hair loss or thinning. Deep conditioning treatments are a must for aging hair. Let me quickly explain what I mean about aging hair. The longer your hair is, the older it is. So hair grows approximately a half an inch a month. If your hair is 12 inches long, those ends are about 2 years old, and the strands are every age in between. But every time we use hot tools like flat irons, curling irons, blow dryers, or do chemical treatments like your keratin smoothing, hair coloring, bleaching, permanent waves, not that we do that much anymore, but permanent waves, or spend time in harsh environments at the beach, in the desert, whatever your situation is. Even only washing once a week, those are all factors that can age your hair. So to repair some of that aging, deep conditioning treatments are fantastic. They provide intense hydration and nourishment. Some like the damage repair line in Monat, also help to restore the bonds in the hair to strengthen and heal. Look for products with ingredients like plant-based stem cells, a rejuvenate oil, and hyaluronic acid. Apply a deep conditioning mask weekly. Focus on the mid-shaft to the ends and leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. But for extra effectiveness, use a warm towel or a shower cap to help the ingredients penetrate deeply. A healthy scalp is the foundation of strong, healthy hair. Regular scalp massages can improve blood circulation, promoting healthier hair growth. Incorporate a few minutes of scalp massage into your routine. For me, my favorite time is just before washing. Spend a minute or two stimulating your scalp by brushing or massaging, and consider treatments with ingredients like peppermint oil and tea tree oil to nourish your scalp. Now, Monat has its own proprietary blend of oil that mimics our natural sebum, and it is the best thing that I have found yet. It actually penetrates the hair and skin to nourish from within. A great scalp treatment is to apply the rejuvenate oil to your scalp 15 to 30 minutes before washing, or even as an overnight treatment. Your scalp will actually be in heaven. Hair color can enhance your look, but it can also damage your hair if not done right. I recommend ammonia-free hair color systems like Clicks, which provide beautiful color without compromising your hair's health. This is the brand I use in my salon, and I am obsessed with the results. In conjunction with the Monat products that my clients use at home, their color stays fresh and shiny. I always say my customers come back because they have roots, not because their hair looks bad. So for at-home care, use color-safe, sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners like the Monat brand. They help to maintain your color's vibrancy. The apple cider vinegar rinse has been a game changer when it comes to that extra added shine and will help to promote longevity of your color's vibrancy. Those heat styling tools are great, but damaging. Always use a heat protectant. Monat has 3 protectants to choose from to fit your styling needs. When selecting the best hot tool for the job, always choose tools with an adjustable temperature setting. This gives you full control and will help to prevent inadvertently damaging your hair. Go for the lowest effective setting for your hair type to minimize that damage. You need to experiment a little bit, maybe the first time, but it is well worth the extra effort in the long run. Find your temperature and stick with it. Ensure you're getting enough protein, biotin, pantothenic acid, which are both great for hair growth, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins like A, C, and E. Staying hydrated is also key. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day. Regular trims every 6 to 8 weeks can prevent split ends and keep your hair looking fresh. If you're letting your hair grow out to a new style or prone to split ends, the Monat Rejuva beads can save the day. It's an innovative leave-in treatment that will physically mend split ends for 24 hours and can be used on wet or dry hair. Split ends can be dangerous because once one side gets too weak, it will break off, leaving the other side weak, and then it will break off. And eventually, you'll be giving yourself inadvertently a haircut strand by strand. Also, embrace your natural texture and choose hairstyles that complement your features as we change with age. Work with your hairstylist. Ask for a consultation session and decide how to best embrace your hair's natural beauty. If you don't have someone who can help you, send me a message in the comments section and I'd be happy to give you some advice. Remember, anti-aging hair care is about embracing your natural beauty and nurturing your hair to its healthiest state. Incorporate Monat and these tips into your routine and you'll be amazed at the difference they can make. If you have any questions or you need that personalized advice, I'm always here to help. Now, if another Monat representative shared this video with you, please get back in touch with them so they can guide you further. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more beauty tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.